India.
Mr. Vice President, we thank the Special Rapporteur for presentation of the annual report on the important issue of water and sanitation. In this regard, we also take note of his emphasis on progressive realization of human rights using the maximum available resources and fulfilling the minimum core obligations. Government of India believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, meaning inclusive development for all and with the trust of all. With the objective of citizen-centric governance, we have accorded highest priority to ensuring access to water and sanitation for all our citizens through two flagship programs, the Swachh Bharat Mission and the Jal Jeevan Mission. Under the Swachh Bharat Mission, all states of India have already declared themselves open defecation-free by 2nd October 2019, which implies that everyone in India has access to safe sanitation. A similar effort is underway under the Jal Jeevan Mission that aims to provide a functional household tap connection to all households in India. Mr. Vice President, we agree with the SR that fulfillment of the human rights to water and sanitation cannot be accomplished in a short time frame and is often dependent on the availability and use of resources. I would like to share that last year, Government of India undertook Jal Shakti Abhiyan, a campaign for water conservation and water security. India is committed to ensuring access to water and sanitation in all spheres of life beyond the household, particularly in public spaces, which is an essential element of the human rights to water and sanitation. Full version of the statement will be uploaded on the HRC extranet. I thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you very much. And